I lost my job. I thought like how I will manage everything. ऐसे ही मेरे बेटे ने कहा मम्मा आप बेकरी स्टार्ट करो ना, बहुत अच्छा केक बनाया आपने।
वाओ।
तो ही सेड आई विल बी योर मैनेजर, आप स्टार्ट करो मम्मा। कौन ही खरीदेगा यार, मैं कैसे, मतलब मैं तो लोगों को बता ही नहीं सकती कि मैं केक बनाती हूँ और आप मेरे से ले लो। Yeah, now I'm selling my cakes for like really premium on really premium rate. First session मैंने 10th को ही ज्वाइन करा था and on 17th I just completed all things for Super
वाओ।
Baker. The 4 days bake
Yeah,
sale in mall, like I made 40,000 there in
superb.
that bake sale. Everyone loved my products and like अभी भी मुझे मैसेज आते हैं कि आपका स्टॉल कब लगना है।
So, hi everyone, and welcome to this Hall of Fame series where you are going to learn the stories of amazing bakers who have really worked on their limiting beliefs, who have really worked on their skills, and they have achieved massive success by following the system step by step. Here, you will not get the stories of any motivation or any theory. You are going to be learning a lot about real orders, real numbers, and real human and personal transformation as well, right? So make sure that you are watching this carefully, because what my student is going to share with you, it might change the way you see your own journey. Okay, you see your own business. So let's get started and let's put our hands together for Baljinder. Heartiest congratulations, Baljinder, for doing this interview with me. And can't believe that this has happened in just last few months. So welcome to this Hall of Fame interviews. What would you like to share?
Yeah, thank you so much, first of all. So, this was an amazing few months. Before this baking journey, I was a software engineer.
Oh.
Yeah, in a reputed firm. Same as others, I didn't want to lose my job.
Hmm.
Yeah, but I was on bench for a few days. So, as per the rules and regulations of the policies of the companies. So, in August, I left my job
Hmm.
and then I thought that I won't do job now.
Hmm.
तो फिर
Amazing.
मैंने सोचा, काफी टाइम सोचती रही। देन होता है ना कि भगवान की तरफ से ही आपको कुछ सिग्नल्स मिलने शुरू हो जाते हैं कि आपने क्या करना है नेक्स्ट।
Hmm.
तो सेम ऐसे ही मैंने ना यूट्यूब से देख के ऐसे ही फ्रूट केक बनाया, तो वो ना बड़ा अच्छा बना। तो एवरीवन लव्ड
हाँ।
इट। तो ऐसे ही मेरे बेटे ने कहा मम्मा आप बेकरी स्टार्ट करो ना, बहुत अच्छा केक बनाया आपने।
वाओ।
तो
वाओ।
तो ही सेड आई विल बी योर मैनेजर, आप स्टार्ट करो मम्मा।
कितना कितने साल का है आपका बेटा?
ही इज 8 ओनली।
8 ओनली,
या
ओके, 6 years old. वाओ।
तो मैं, मतलब मैंने ऐसे कभी सोचा नहीं था कि हाँ मैं ऐसे कभी बेक करूंगी और मेरे केक्स बिकेंगे भी, वो भी ऑन प्रीमियम रेट्स।
हाँ।
तो
हाँ।
पता नहीं है, अपने आप ही हो रहा है सब कुछ। आपकी एड मेरे सामने आई देन ऑन इंस्टा एंड
हम्म।
आई जस्ट ज्वाइन दैट वेबिनार। मैं बेक करती थी, मुझे बहुत
हम्म।
शौक था केक बनाने का, तो आई लव दैट, बट मेरा केक कभी अच्छे से बन के आया नहीं बिकॉज ऑफ द रैंडम थिंग्स
या।
ऑन यूट्यूब। ऐसे ही एक दिन मैंने बनाया तो थोड़ा अच्छा बना, तो एवरीवन लव्ड इट एंड देन ऑल स्टार्टेड। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई जॉइंड द सुपर बेकर ओनली, नॉट द
हाँ।
डायमंड वन।
हम्म।
या तो उससे मुझे थोड़ा आइडिया हो गया कि हाँ सही है सब कुछ, मतलब ट्रस्ट बन गया। आपका बूट कैंप चैलेंज होता है स्टार्टिंग में, इनिशियल में ही, तो वो भी मैंने विन करा था।
वाओ।
या तो
हम्म।
फर्स्ट सेशन मैंने 10th को ही ज्वाइन करा था
ओके, ओके।
एंड ऑन 17th आई जस्ट कंप्लीटेड ऑल थिंग्स फॉर
वाओ।
सुपर बेकर।
सुपर, एक वीक में कंप्लीट कर लिया।
या
सुपर, अमेजिंग। तभी क्या था कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल कि मुझे अभी सेल भी करना है, मुझे बिजनेस करना है? क्या आपको लग रहा था कि सच में मैं सेल कर पाऊंगी?
मतलब मेरे में तो यू कैन से जीरो कॉन्फिडेंस ऑफ सेलिंग एनीथिंग। तो इसका तो पूरा क्रेडिट मेरे सन को ही जाता है।
वाओ,
हाँ
8 years old, हाँ।
हाँ। जैसे ही मैंने फर्स्ट डे पे वो आपके टूटी फ्रूटी वाला रेसिपी है ना, तो
हाँ
उससे मैंने मफिन्स बनाए।
हाँ।
तो मेरे सन ने पूरे अपनी गली में ना बाहर जाके शोर मचा दिया कि मेरे
वाओ।
मम्मा आज बेकिंग कर रहे हैं, जिसको लेना है बता देना। और he went and he sold all the muffins and I need to repeat the batch.
माय गॉड, आई मस्ट से कि उसने सच बोला था, तुम ये बेचना शुरू करो, मैं मैनेजर बन जाता हूँ तुम्हारा, ये
Definitely, definitely. Since day one, he मतलब did a lot for me.
हम्म
Then everything started. People got to know कि बहुत अच्छा टेस्ट तो अच्छा ही है डेफिनेटली। आपकी हर एक रेसिपी फेल प्रूफ है। सेक्शंस में जो डिवाइड कर करके वो बनाया हुआ है पूरा प्रोग्राम। दैट इज रियली रियली गुड।
बट बलजिंदर, आप मुझे एक बात बताओ, अभी आपके पास जॉब नहीं है, फिर आपने सुपर बेकर के लिए इन्वेस्ट किया और ये थोड़े ऑर्डर्स चलो आने लगे, बट फिर मतलब मे बी देयर वाज एनी काइंड ऑफ चैलेंज दैट यू हैड कि वो होता है ना कि अरे विल दिस वर्क फॉर मी, क्योंकि अभी तो लेवल अप हो रहा है, नहीं चला तो क्या करूंगी, ऐसे कभी था क्या?
ऐसा था कि एज अ सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर सबको पता होता है कि उन्होंने अपने जो खर्चे होते हैं, जो एक्सपेंसेस होते हैं, वो उस हिसाब से करे होते हैं। आई वॉज ऑल्सो सेम लाइक देम।
हम्म
तो आई वॉज अर्निंग वेल, मोर देन 1 लाख। बट मुझे लगता है कि जब इंसान सब कुछ खो देता है ना उसी के बाद वो बोल्ड स्टेप को ही लेता है।
सुपर्ब, सच अ पावरफुल लाइन।
तो like I lost my job, I thought like how I will manage everything.
हम्म
I was only the earning resource in the family.
हम्म
So I think you can understand when I lost my job.
हम्म। इट्स ओके बलजिंदर, sometimes life happens and it teaches us a lot of things, right? That's why I said that one line that you mentioned was so powerful.
इसीलिए मैंने सोचा ही था कि मुझे मतलब अपने चैलेंजेस बहुत सीरियसली लेने हैं। तो
Super.
ऐसे ही मैंने मतलब करती गई और होता गया आगे आगे।
Nice, amazing. But then what made you say yes in spite of having that fear, right? मतलब काफी सारे financial issues है, तो what made you say yes even when you had that fear?
Yes, I had that fear, but along with that, I wanted to do something, which is something pushed me to do everything.
Hmm. Hmm.
कि
Hmm.
मुझे मतलब मैं ऐसी हूँ कि मैं फ्री नहीं बैठ सकती कि अगर मेरे पास जॉब नहीं है तो
हाँ,
मुझे कुछ ना कुछ तो करना ही है, चाहे मुझे कुछ भी करना पड़े। हालात भी अलाउ नहीं करते। और
correct.
वैसे भी मुझे पसंद नहीं है।
So what exactly changed after you joined that community? What started changing? Like the recipe started working for you, order started happening for you. What started working for you?
डेफिनेटली जब मैंने ज्वाइन करा तो एक कॉन्फिडेंस आया कि हाँ मैं भी कर सकती हूँ।
Hmm.
क्योंकि एवरी रेसिपी वाज विच आई ट्राइड इन फ्यू डेज, एवरीथिंग वाज कमिंग आउट वेरी गुड।
Yeah. I would just like to stop you over here and I want to tell all the viewers on the day when she joined Diamond, on the same day, night में इनके post थे. Like she said, I don't want to sit idle. So what she says is actually true. उसी दिन जिस दिन पैसे भरे उसी दिन उन्होंने जाके कुकीज का मॉड्यूल देखा और उसमें से रेसिपीज देख के वो बनाए, उसका सुंदर फोटो खींचा, टेक्सचर के साथ ऑडिट के लिए भेज भी दिए थे. It was that. Yes, now you can
And yes, I posted that picture on my WhatsApp. And in last to last company, my man, he was the operations manager there and co-founder also. He contacted me and ordered 10 hampers.
Wow. One
They-
picture.
because that time was the Diwali time.
Yeah,
I didn't want to miss that.
absolutely.
So
Superb. Crazy,
on the
right?
day one, I joined and I made the cookies. I was confident कि
हाँ,
this is working fine
superb.
and 8,000 amount का ऑर्डर प्लेस किया उसने।
Wow. Wow. Like not even completed 1 week and you are already taking hamper order. This is crazy.
Yeah.
I didn't know this. Learning cut karke, in how many months you have achieved this 1 lakh plus revenue?
In Jan last, I
Okay.
completed that 1 lakh.
So how much? 3 months, 4 months?
4 months.
4 months.
Yeah.
Amazing. Again, that has happened while you are learning the recipes and the business strategies and everything, right?
Yes.
Superb. But from baker's perspective as well, what do you feel? You are great at cake decorations, okay, and you want to be known as a cake artist, or you are comfortable with making these hampers and doing dry bakes more. Up until how much ever assignments you have done, आपको क्या लगता है आप कौन से साइड में ज्यादा हो?
एक्चुअली जो अगर मेरे से पूछोगे तो मेरा इंटरेस्ट तो बेकिंग में ज्यादा है rather
मतलब
than
ड्राई बेक्स कुकीज और
decoration.
हाँ,
Yes.
ओके ओके.
But the thing is, I'm in still in confusion that everyone liking my cakes a lot. Yeah, I did beautiful cakes and everyone loved it, and the reviews were and feedbacks were amazing.
Superb, amazing. So they are giving good feedback. And are you getting repeat orders for your dry bakes or your decorated cakes?
Both, ma'am, both.
Both. Okay, so
Yeah.
now it is too early to say like which has high demand, right?
Yes, yes.
Superb.
So I still need to find out in
Yeah,
which
yeah,
path is
probably
right for me. Yeah.
amazing. So, and one last question, what was the highest month in terms of revenue?
Highest month was because of bake sale. It was December.
December, nice. Like
Yeah,
Christmas recipes, lot of
yeah. I
products.
asked you about the the 4 days bake
Yeah,
sale in mall.
yeah.
So I did I made 40,000 there in
Superb.
that bake sale.
Wow, amazing. And what is that one thing that you learned from while doing the bake sale? Because initially you were scared, right? Like, should I go ahead with these 4 days and put in so much money and all those things? So, what is that one thing that you have learned as a baker when you did that 4 days bake sale?
Yeah, bake sale was something different for me.
Hmm.
Yeah, because I didn't thought about it, but मतलब मैंने as I told you कि मैं चैलेंज को वेरी सीरियसली मैंने लिया था। तो जैसे ही मैंने फर्स्ट बेक सेल करा था इन माय मार्केट, तो दैट वेंट रियली वेल। तो
Hmm.
एवरीवन लव्ड माय प्रोडक्ट्स एंड लाइक अभी भी मुझे मैसेज आते हैं कि आपका स्टॉल कब लगना है।
You are
तो
fearing to sell and then see what is happening. So people are asking you, कब आ रहे हो?
यस, यस।
Superb.
विच लाइक उससे बहुत अच्छा फील भी आता है कि हाँ मतलब एवरीथिंग वाज वर्किंग वेरी गुड एंड पीपल आर लाइकिंग योर प्रोडक्ट्स।
Nice, very good. With not like you said, you are a beginner baker, right? And in just few months, you have not only built your skills, but you have made a good amount of money. So, what is your confidence level right now?
काफी चेंज आया उसमें। आई टोल्ड यू ना
Yeah.
कि कौन ही खरीदेगा यार, मैं कैसे मतलब मैं तो लोगों को बता ही नहीं सकती कि मैं केक बनाती हूँ और आप मेरे से ले लो।
I love that line when you said that I was not even able to like 10 रुपए का भी मफिन मैं बेच नहीं सकूंगी and
हाँ।
you are charging like premium prices
या
for your products.
Yeah, now I'm selling my cakes for like really premium on really premium rate.
And people don't negotiate at all.
No, no, no.
Wow, wow.
He said the cake is very good and a very matlab, awesome feedbacks from their side.
Crazy.
Yeah.
Super. So tell me something in this community, what do you like the most? Like the audits that we do, or the accountability that we have, or the templates that you get, or the mindset sessions that we have, or the community in general. Okay, so what is it that is helping you right now?
Yeah, everything is planned very good, I would say.
Hmm.
Like question answers resolves many queries. Like when everyone raise their questions, we learn a lot from their questions also.
Wow.
Like तो कई बार तो ऐसा होता है कि कुछ चीजें पहले से ही पता हो चल जाती हैं क्वेश्चन आंसर राउंड से कि हाँ ये चीज ऐसे करनी है या ये चीज ऐसे करनी है।
Wow.
तो Everything is very good. MMP sessions are really good.
Yeah.
बहुत मतलब चार्ज हो जाता है उसके साथ। तो एमएमपी सेशन वैसे भी बाय गॉड्स ग्रेस तभी आता था जब मेरा कुछ मतलब स्पेशल होना होता था, वेदर इट इज अ बेक सेल और वेदर इट इज अ डील विद समवन, एमएमपी सेशन हैज came on the same day.
Oh my God, amazing. And you will not miss it. You will make sure
Yeah.
that you are attending it.
Yes, yes.
So happy to hear that. Amazing. Let's imagine that if you had delayed this decision to join this community, let's say by 1 year, what would have happened, Baljinder?
सिचुएशन ही ऐसा था कि मतलब मैं मिस कर ही नहीं सकती थी। तो
Yeah,
डेफिनेटली वी आर गोइंग टू मिस अ लॉट if
yeah,
we are not joining now, and there is no chance to grow up.
absolutely. Right. Every day is so important.
Yes, yes.
This is so important. Orders skills are so important. Business skills learn करना है. So let's say if a woman is watching this particular interview, उनको भी अपना बेकरी बिजनेस शुरू करना है, बट वो कहीं ना कहीं स्टक है, कंफ्यूज्ड फील कर रहे हैं, या फिर उनको भी फियर है कि मैं करूंगी तो कैसे होगा, आप क्या बोलना चाहोगे उनको?
उनको मैं यही बोलूंगी कि रैंडम रेसिपीज के साथ अब मतलब आप ग्रो नहीं कर पाओगे। मे बी यू विल बी एबल टू स्टार्ट समथिंग,
हम्म,
but you won't be able to grow. You
हम्म,
won't be able to scale up. For
हम्म,
scaling up, you need like fail proof recipes and proper knowledge of business, which
हम्म,
we get from here.
हम्म,
So like as we say कि हमारे जो होम बेकर्स के प्राइसेस होते हैं वो बेकरीज के साथ कंपेयर किए जाते हैं।
हम्म,
so if you won't be have like the proper knowledge of
हम्म,
that thing, you won't be able to sell it at proper prices and premium prices and like educate your customer well, like
हम्म,
what is the difference between this and this. You
हम्म,
won't be able to like educate your customer. And I believe in ki never miss the opportunity. If something is coming in front of you, just grab that opportunity and utilize it as much as you can.
So
Time is
profound.
always now.
Yeah, time is always now. So
Yeah,
profound.
yeah.
Amazing. Superb. Right. So all the people who are watching this interview, see, this is exactly why we have created this amazing, beautiful community of growth-minded bakers, right? Not just to teach recipes, but really help all our bakers to be happy, to be financially independent, to be profitable as well,
Yes, definitely.
more importantly to become confident and change their mindset. Okay, the
Mhm.
moment you do that, things will start happening in your favor, and you are going to be that person who will not only change your life, but you will change your family's financial story as well. And that's
Yes.
what we have learned from Baljinder. So thank you so much, Baljinder, for sharing this amazing, powerful success story with all of us. Congratulations and God bless you. I can't wait to see you achieving not just this one award in our Bakers Champions retreat. I really want to give you two more awards, right? Which is going to be 6 months challenge completion award and the 10 lakh superstar baker award as well. So God bless you. And any last few sentences that you want to share with all of us?
Yeah, definitely the gratitude I have in my heart for you. So I would say thank you for everything.
Mm,
Like from the recipes, from the like pushing us to do the challenges, and like you check every thing we post in the like that. Thank you for everything. Like you gave me a lot of confidence, yeah, to stand in front of people like this. I am a baker. This was a nice switch.
super. Love that. Thank you so much,
Yeah.
Baljin. God bless you. And God bless your son as well. God bless your entire family. And very, very happy to have you in this community. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am.